The arts of mindfulness of the body to really know how to practice move the body, exercise every day regularly, and the result of that cultivation is to bring some healing energy for yourself, cultivating your vitality every day, nourish your vitality every day. We do qigong to circulate our blood, but at the same time, when our blood and our body calm and circulation, your mind will be affected in the good way. Share with you the arts of mindfulness of the body to really know how to practice move the body. What does it mean to call qigong? Qi is like the breathing. So the breathing is also energy. Energy is breathing. Gong is mean cultivation. Cultivation or results of the practice. For example, your cultivation energy, exercise every day regularly, and the result of that cultivation is to bring some healing energy for yourself. So together, qigong means like cultivating your vitality every day, nourish your vitality every day. We do qigong to circulate our blood, but at the same time, when our blood and our body calm circulation, your mind will be affected in the good way. So my breathing is actually leads movement. That's why the movement and breathing come together. Breathe in, you open your hands and step your left legs forward. At the same time, open your two palms, your arms, as well as you can, okay? Look like you open also your chest. Breathe out, you bring your hands back. At the same time, to bring your left legs back. Gently put your hands down, okay? Breathe in again, right leg in front. Open your chest. Open to receive all wonderful things from the air, from the earth, from the sunshine. Okay, breathe in, open. Relax your chest. Out. Relax your hands. In. Out. You can offer a smile to yourself. We just do breathing and at the same time to relax, okay? Breathe out. Breathe and relax. That is the theme today. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. One more time. In from the left. Out. One more time for the right leg. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Relax. Exhale. Release tensions from my body. Release tension from my shoulders, my hands. Release tension from my legs. You feel relaxed on the Mother Earth. You offer a gentle smile to yourself. The next movements we call the squats and draw circles, okay, with your hands. So you stand your two legs wider than your shoulders in this way. You squat down this way, okay, and your two hands could be from your lower abdomen, okay. Then move up this way. So from lower abdomen, you move up, breathe in, move towards from your chest, up, cross your face, okay, and up to the sky. And then breathe out. You start to turn your palm, open wider and open and stretch, and then you can squat your legs down, okay, as low as you can, okay, like that. You go your hands from the lower abdomen, breathe in, up again. Out. You breathe and relax. Allow your breathing to lead the movement. Okay, breathe in deep. Out slow. Relax the body. When you breathe and relax in this way, you can circulate the blood, circulate the energy for yourself, strengthen your whole body. In, out. Relax my whole body. In, out. There is nothing to do. I just move my body gently and breathe and relax my whole body. Okay? Out. Breathe in. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring my mind back to my body in the present moment. And then I relax my palms, relax my legs, my knees, relax my 2 feet.